Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is really cold here where I live. Today we had, well actually yesterday, a cold front blew in and overnight we actually got some snow. I know some of y'all are looking at that snow and thinking that it's a joke, but where I'm from, we get excited when we get snow. The whole town shuts down, we completely forget how to drive because there's a tiny bit of ice on the road and snow, so we just stay home. Today was a snow day. Yay! Something that happens to my hair when the weather changes, especially when it changes drastically like that, it feels so dry. I have to completely change my hair care routine in order to meet the new needs of my hair as the weather changes. So this video today, we are going to be talking about my bomb winter wash day routine. This is the routine that I can really count on to keep my hair moisturized and balanced. It's a routine that I can't necessarily use in the summer because the products are just too moisturizing for my hair. When the air gets cold and dry and we start kicking on our heaters, you need to up the moisture in your routine. So if you want to see what I do, this is so pretty. This makes me so happy. If you want to see exactly what that routine is, then come with me into my bathroom and I'll show you exactly what I did. All right, so we're going to be jumping right into this winter bomb wash day routine. I love having this routine in my back pocket for when the weather gets cold and dry on us. So first off, I'll be going in with something I haven't showed y'all before. This is my Strands Hair Care shampoo and conditioner. This is a really neat company. They actually take a sample of your hair. It's a hair analysis / custom formulation for you. I've talked about previously on my channel companies that will formulate shampoo and conditioner for you, but they go off of your knowledge of your hair. And I've also talked about hair analysis companies, but the other hair analysis companies that I've talked about do not give you a shampoo and conditioner recommendation for you. So what's cool about Strands is that they actually combine the two. You have to collect your own hair sample. They look at porosity, they look at texture, they look at the overall health of your hair. Then you fill out their little questionnaire. You tell them a little bit about where you live, what your normal daily activities look like. If you are a person who exercises and sweats a lot, if you're the kind of person who doesn't necessarily do that. They also include in their kit, when you collect your hair samples, they give you everything you need in order to be able to mail them your hair sample, but they also include like these little oily tester sticks, and oh my goodness, those are so cool. I already knew I had oily hair, but those just showed me how oily my hair actually is. And you tell them how oily your hair is, and then they send you your custom formulation. No two customers of Strands have the exact same formulation. Even if you have fine, oily hair, your formula is going to be specific to you because it will be formulated for where you live as well, which is really, really cool. These have been a really nice background staple for my most recent single styler experiments. These have just given my hair exactly what it needs. It gets it perfectly clean. It gives it the right amount of protein because they are formulated with proteins. It has colloidal oatmeal in both the shampoo and the conditioner, which help with my itchy scalp. They've just put all kinds of really nice ingredients in here that my hair really, really loves. So this is going to be the base for my winter wash day routine. Then I find that my hair tends to need something like a cream instead of just using a leave-in. If you watched my custards, creams, and stylers oh my video, I think that's what I called it, I talk about wherein I use a leave-in, a cream, a custard, a gel, a mousse. I talked about where I used all those different stylers. And creams have a little bit more hold and a little bit more moisture than just a leave-in. So when things get dry, instead of reaching for a leave-in, I'll reach for a cream. And lately I've been really loving the Bounce Curl Clump and Define Cream. Then for stylers, we go. I actually really love layering the Tralux High Definition Gel and the EcoSlay Orange Marmalade, and here's why. I find that when I exclude protein completely from my wash days, even when it's cold and dry and my hair wants more moisture, I find that it doesn't keep my hair balanced. I need to include some protein in some of my products, even when my hair is needing to be moisturized. I find that the High Definition Gel has so much moisture in it that it's almost too moisturizing for me to use during the summer months, but it also contains some protein. It's got proteins in it, so it's like a really moisturizing gel with a little bit of protein. And the EcoSlay Orange Marmalade doesn't have any protein in it, but it has some protein mimickers like flaxseed and marshmallow root extract. This product is definitely too moisturizing for me in the summer, but it has really nice hold and it's incredibly moisturizing. And that's how I'm building my routine. All right, guys, here I am with my hair 100% dry. I did diffuse it till about 90% dry, and then I let it finish air drying. Oh, and I did plot my hair with a perfect hair care towel for about 15-ish minutes before I was able to get to diffusing my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I love Scrunch Out the Crunch because your hair goes from looking kind of like this, a little sad, to looking, well, let me show you. So what I do is I flip my hair over, give it a good scrunch. I also fluff the roots really good. Make sure that nothing's stuck. Once your hair is dry, you don't have to be afraid to touch it, but trying to figure out where the part's going to be. I think I like it right there. And then I kind of rake and fluff. See? Like now it's like big and pretty and soft and doesn't look so stringy. I love this routine. Let me turn around and show you the back. I like this one. This one's cute. Oh, but I think for the sake of the part, I'm gonna have to put him over here. Yep, there he is. He's right there. All right, guys, that is it for this video. If you want more information about some of the products that I talked about, please feel free to check out the links in the description. For me personally, when the weather gets cold, I definitely cut back on the amount of protein that I'm using, but I don't eliminate it completely. I tend to reach for products that I find more moisturizing on my hair. If your hair is a little bit protein sensitive and on the drier side, you may use a completely protein-free routine when the weather gets cold. Start substituting in maybe some more deep conditioning sessions and using a curl cream instead of a leave-in. You might find that helpful. Layering the gels. I really find that layering gels really locks in all the moisture goodness. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!